Hi, I'm going to share with you a simple recipe for crusty apple cake. If you have an apple tree in your garden, pick a couple of apples from your tree. Alternatively, and if you don't have an apple tree, you could purchase apples from your supermarket. Your ingredients are 2 apples, peeled and cored, 225 grams of self-raising flour, 125 grams each of light brown sugar and butter, 2 lightly beaten eggs, 1 teaspoon each of baking powder and ground cinnamon and half teaspoon mixed spice. Mix the baking powder, the cinnamon and the spices into the flour. It's best to sieve the flour beforehand. Rub the butter into the flour with your fingers or use a food processor. After a while, the mixture should resemble breadcrumbs. Add the sugar and the diced apples into your flour mixture and mix. Then add the beaten eggs and mix thoroughly until smooth. Spoon the mixture into a lightly greased oven dish and smooth the top with a spatula. Layer the top with sliced apples and brush with melted butter. Sprinkle with demerara sugar. If you don't have it, use ordinary sugar. Cook at 140 degrees centigrade for about 35 to 40 minutes or until the top is browned and crispy. When ready, remove from the oven and rest for a few minutes before serving. Slice and serve with ice cream or clotted cream. Bon appétit!